You'll see the line that's drawn between good and bad. See the blind man shooting at the world, bullets flying, taking toll. If you've been bad, oh Lord, I bet you have.
Here we are on today's drive. Here we are on the Levo Gen 2 today. Hi everyone, so we're just outside Havisham, so hopefully this will come out at Tathall end.
For the strongest mind when driven round the bend, to face the near impossible when the fog descends. You can place your goodwill in the center of the fire. I'm closed for business today. It falls from the sky and it crushes us to the ground. Movements are sluggish and enthusiasm can't be found. I can't see anything out there. I'm closed for business today. Take your pills and push the quilt away. Try to figure out what broke the day. A chemical imbalance or just circumstance? Or is it just a part of me by random chance? Answers on a postcard and send them right away. I'm closed for business today. Social media is sucking at the light. Step away from the monitor and spend more time in real life. Self-comparison.
So we're bridle way riding still.
It's all a facade anyway. While I procrastinate, the hours to come by. But when the fog descends, there is no how or where or why. You can leave your goodwill in the center of the fire. I'm closed for business today. Take your pills and push the quilt away. And try to figure out what broke the day. Chemical imbalance or just circumstance? Or is it just a part of me by random chance? postcard and send them right away. I'm closed for business today.